In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can optimize your B2B digital marketing for small business to increase your online presence and start seeing results step by step. Keep watching. Hey, what's up marketers? I'm Eduard Dziak, the founder of B2B Digital Marketers.com, the place where you can learn how to level up your B2B digital marketing without spending money on marketing agencies. And in today's video, I will share with you how B2B small businesses need to optimize their digital marketing to improve online presence and start driving customers with B2B digital marketing. So, if you find this video valuable, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post every week new videos to get your B2B digital marketing to the next level. And without further ado, let's start optimizing. By the way, I will not be talking about the classic advice like make sure your target audience is done correctly and write down your goals and objective, as I assume you know this. If not, then the wrong video. But please give it a try. The first step to optimize your B2B digital marketing for small business is to ensure that the basics are done correctly. The thing is about B2B digital marketing is that you can do so much for your business to drive great results like email marketing, social media marketing, content marketing, blogging, conversion rate optimization, webinars, PPC, video marketing, content upgrades, SEO, and I barely scratched the surface of all the things you can do with digital marketing. So, with so many things going on, you can get confused with what you should start first. And on top of that, digital marketing gurus coming out with the latest B2B digital marketing trends like the power of automation, personalized buyer journey, multi-channel marketing, marketing AI, and so much more. And again, I barely scratched the surface of all kinds of trends that are just coming out. So it is no wonder that B2B small business owners don't know where to start or start with something and do not get their promised results every marketing guru said you will get if you do this B2B digital marketing strategy or that one. And the reason why they don't see the results they want is that they have not done the basics correctly, the foundation of B2B digital marketing for every small business to set the sales correctly. So what are the B2B digital marketing basics and how you can get them right? First and foremost, you need to ensure your website is done correctly, as this is the biggest mistake small businesses can make, and that is neglect their website in terms of design, the technical part, messaging, and SEO. Because I'm seeing businesses, for example, using PPC to acquire customers, but when you land on their website, it is like a super old car. Might be nice to look at it, but you don't want to drive it. So yeah, ensure your website is representing your brand correctly. Remember, your website is a salesperson too. And if your salesperson is poorly looking, nobody will want to buy from you. The second basic, make sure your website is conversion rate optimized. Like I said, your website is a salesperson. And what is the point of having a good looking salesperson if he doesn't know how to sell? Yeah, that's right. You need to make sure that your website is actually built to capture leads, so you can start working on them. And the last and third basic is to make sure your website is compliant with all the regulation like GDPR, SSL certificate, and any other regulation you are required to follow. And I don't think I need to explain much here, as you don't want to mess with laws, right? Just make sure you follow all the rules you have to. It's easy, go on Google and check what you have to follow at this moment, what are the regulations for a website. The second step is to make sure you are getting right all your strategies, or at least the basic B2B digital marketing strategies. Like I already said, with digital marketing, there is so much you can do, and that is why it is easy to get distracted by that. And therefore, many small businesses are struggling because they start with one B2B digital marketing strategy and then move to the next strategy and so on. So like this, they have no foundation they can build on. Therefore, marketers or business owners can't see the results digital marketing is promising, such as more leads, improving quality leads, cost effective, scalable, and so on. And all of that is because they cannot get the strategies right. Therefore, it is important to start with just basic B2B digital marketing strategies and get them right. So let's talk about the basic digital marketing strategies you should start with and get them right. Also, this should be managed by maximum 1 to 3 marketing people easily. So don't worry about hiring extra staff. The first is SEO. This is an essential B2B digital marketing strategy for your business. If you are not investing enough time into SEO, don't be surprised your digital marketing is not working. The second is email marketing. Email marketing is still extremely valuable and great strategy that has proven itself again and again. Just during COVID-19, email marketing has saved many businesses, literally. The third is social media marketing. Average B2B organization is on 7 social media channels. But don't worry, you don't need to. Just pick one and commit to it. For many marketers, social media marketing is the scary skeleton in the closet. But actually, once you start, you'll quickly find out it is not that bad. The fourth is blogging. Blogging is the spine of your website and organic traffic, and most likely you will not drive higher traffic from anywhere else. But it takes some time and patience, so I recommend also do some guest blogging. The fifth is PPC. With PPC, you are able to drive almost instantly leads for your business. Yes, it does not have the best ROI, but definitely it helps small businesses to start with before the organic reach kicks in, which can take up to a year. And that was all the basic B2B digital marketing strategies you should start with and master it before going into the more fancy ones. Also, it might sound like a lot for just 1 to 3 people to manage this, but it is not. Trust me, I'm currently doing this for 3 businesses. But of course, you cannot do it manually nowadays. Thanks to tools, one person can manage so much more and bring much better results than more people without tools. I've tried this too. Therefore, check out the links in the description for my recommendation for SEO, email marketing, social media marketing, blogging, and PPC tools you must use for your B2B organization. Alright, this step might take you a while to get it right, but let's assume all your B2B digital marketing strategies are done correctly and we can move to the next step. The third step is to actually use your data to optimize your current B2B digital marketing strategies. First, I didn't want to talk about this as it is quite a buzzword flying all over the place on marketing blogs and magazines and so on. But then I have seen this. According to Aberdeen.com, only 19% of marketers track all of their marketing efforts in order to drive improvement via reporting. And there could be a couple of reasons why they actually only 19% of marketers track all of their marketing efforts. The first reason is they do not understand completely all the features and benefits of the reporting and analytics tool. The second reason could be marketers are too busy to analyze the data, which is, by the way, if they would spend a bit more time and create reports and dashboards, they would have it in real time. The perfect tool is Data Studio from Google. And the third reason, they don't know what exactly to track or measure. Well, fair enough. So, if you are in one of those reasons, or actually any other reason, why you are not tracking your marketing effort, you better keep watching this video as I'm going to reveal the secret language of data. Just kidding, but let's look at how you can actually learn to track your metrics and marketing effort for your B2B digital marketing. I will not go into many details as this is quite complicated topic, and to learn how to effectively track your B2B digital marketing effort, you will actually have to spend some time and put some effort into learning this. Data can be complicated and transforming them into insights even more. And yes, there are some great tools to use like AI in Dynamics 365 marketing, which I really love to use, but these tools are expensive and not yet suitable for small business. So let's rather stick with the basics and advanced tools for B2B digital marketing for a small business. Definitely the first tool you should learn to use correctly is Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Google Data Studio, and Google Tag Manager. Also, Google is rolling out a new tool, Google Search Insights, that should simplify all this data across these tools and help you to transfer it into insights. But again, you should learn how to use them all. And the best way is on Google Analytics Academy. Here, you can learn all the skills you need to master the language of data from Google tools and tracking your marketing efforts. And for the advanced tools, I want to recommend SEMrush, Ahrefs, and SE Ranking. I think all of them also provide academy on how to actually use these tools, and they are super helpful to level up your B2B digital marketing strategies. So you can check out the links in description. So that is how you can actually learn to work with data. Did you really think that there is some secret, special, effortless way? No way. You have to grind, especially for data, as it is your biggest opportunity to grow your marketing and the whole business. The fourth step on how to optimize your B2B digital marketing is to actually optimize your B2B digital marketing strategies. Confusing? Alright, let me explain what I mean by actually optimizing your B2B digital marketing. By now, you already understand the importance of having a strong foundation, which is basically your website. Build strong pillars, which are the digital marketing strategies. You also know you have to learn, monitor them, and now you need to take what you have learned and optimize your strategies. So after the long journey of creating and analyzing your B2B digital marketing, you need to actually change that and improve it, because as you will probably find out, your first time wasn't the best. That's what she said, right? Come on, give me a high five. High five. No? Anybody? Come on, it was funny, no, guys? Fun at all, these people. Not fun at all. Excuse me? Can somebody get rid of him? Security or somebody? Break? Alright, take care of it myself. Ow! Man! Ow! Just relax, man. Ooh. No need to be so aggressive. Oh, man. Okay, alright, you can stay here. Just relax, okay? Relax. Alright, where did we finish? Oh, yeah. So, take what you have learned from your data and insights and improve your digital marketing. Remove what is not working, add more what is working, and add new things. And this process will be repeated once every while. For example, for PPC, once every month or two, to ensure you are improving your results. Remember, this step is super important and you can't just leave it after creating your B2B digital marketing strategies, as you must keep optimizing your strategies and strive for better. Also, I want to recommend you keep watching for your industry benchmarks and understand what the average metrics are you should achieve as a minimum. Like for example, for PPC, average conversion rate is around 2.5% across all industries. But don't get discouraged if you do not hit the benchmark for the first time, because it is normal. Myself, many times when I start setting up client strategies, do not hit the benchmark as well. And by the time with data, I can catch up. So don't get too worried on the first time. The last, fifth step is you should be innovative. For many marketers, being innovative is not something important. And I would say you can do just fine without coming up with something new and innovative. Therefore, being innovative is not something you will see often as a recommended step on how to optimize your marketing. But the importance is actually super high. Yes, you can do just fine without actually coming up with new and fresh ideas. And in many instances, it could be actually the safer option for your marketing. As trying to come up with new and fresh approach, it's riskier rather than follow already the proven approach. But then you need to suppose that your results are most likely to be mediocre. Just let's look at the graph from WordStream, link in the description by the way, for search conversion rate and how you can see below average, average and the top performance in search conversion rate distribution. And as you can see, the difference between the median and top 25% is twice more leads or conversion rate than having median conversion rate. And for top 10%, it's 5 times more leads and conversions for your business. And to get there, you cannot just simply follow steps, but you need to be innovative and come up with something new and unique for your business, your landing pages, your copies, or whatever it is. Therefore, this step might not sound like the essential step to optimize your B2B digital marketing for small business. And actually, it is not. If you are okay to settle with median results, then you don't need to. But if your company strives for excellence and being on top, then this step is super important than ever. I hope it was motivating. Guess not. Or whatever. But my point is, your business has to be innovative with marketing as well and not just with products. And unfortunately, I have seen so many marketing efforts following the same examples over and over again. So, after you have reached all your benchmarks for your B2B digital marketing strategies, you have learned all the techniques and tactics to get to this point, then the fifth and last step is to innovate your marketing. And that is all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something new, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video if you like it and leave a comment below in what step you are currently in and what is your biggest challenge. Also, don't forget to check out all my links in the description for some cool tools to level up your B2B digital marketing. Ciao!